In the world of interior design, few things carry the timeless prestige of Calacatta marble. But in 2026, we're looking for that luxury with a level of performance that stone can't match. Today, we're diving into the Daltile Costar series, specifically the stunning Calacatta Empire and Calacatta Sky. Versatility is at the core of these collections. Whether you're looking for the bold scale of a 12x24 floor tile or the detailed texture of a 2x2 mosaic for a shower floor, both of these lines have you covered. Calacatta Empire offers a striking traditional marble look in sizes ranging from 12x12 to 4x12. If you prefer a softer, more atmospheric movement, Calacatta Sky provides that same range in 4x12, 12x24, and 2x2. From spa-like baths to high-traffic commercial lobbies, the application possibilities are unlimited. Technically, these are the powerhouses. Both the Empire and Sky collections are high-performance porcelains, making them completely waterproof and stain-proof, which is essential for those kitchens and bathrooms. Unlike natural marble, these won't require constant sealing or special cleaners. They feature a sophisticated glazed surface that is easy to maintain, while providing the slip resistance needed for both dry and wet applications. When we look at the durability chart, the Costar series excels. These tiles are rated for heavy residential and even commercial foot traffic. They are heavily resistant to scratches and impacts, ensuring that the white and gray visuals stay intact for decades. This is the set it and forget it luxury floor that holds up to the reality of modern life. Whether you want the bold character of Empire or the soft elegance of Sky, Daltile has delivered the perfect marble alternative. Head to the description below where you can find a link to our website, arkoflooring.com, so you can shop these collections. Also in our description is tile profiles showing you the elegance of the different sizes in different rooms. So what are you waiting for? Get to shopping now.